Hi guys, I am not showing my face today, because I know I may take too much of your time, since I just want to show you how we cook our African porridge. So this is boiling water that we use if we are making porridge. So I like to use this one. It's a cooking stick as well. We call it musika in Shona. In Ndebele is called uphehlo, is one that we use to mix water and maize meal. So this is the maize meal that we use. This is maize meal. It's a grinded maize. It's made from maize. So this is grinded maize. So this is how we use it. Let me try to twist the camera so that you can see clearly. So if you're using this one, you need to be very fast to avoid bubbles, to avoid we call them pimples, mapundu, those bubbling maize meal in the porridge. You see here there's nothing, and the porridge is still, I don't know if I should say weak. So now I'm adding more maize until it's thick. See, now it's thick. My brother requested for this today. We normally cook instant porridge, but my brother requested for this today. So I'm making it for him. You see, now it's thick. Porridge is supposed to be thick. I like using this musika, this cooking stick, because it's fast. Even if we are cooking sadza, nsima, or pap, fast. You see, I'm almost done mixing. This is how thick it should be. This is how thick it should be. It's boiling now. Oh yes. I'm coming. Let me take more ingredients to add. So these are the ingredients that we use. We use peanut butter. This is my favorite peanut butter. It's energy from Kwachikwana here in Zimbabwe. This is my favorite peanut butter that we use if we are making peanut butter. And also sugar. We also use sugar. We also add sugar. Oh yes. So the only ingredients that we use is sugar. I don't have a small container for sugar yet, but this is sugar, then peanut butter and salt. Those are the 3 ingredients that we use. Oh, of course, and millimil, so it's 4 ingredients. So I'm going to put salt first. So if you're putting salt, you just put a little bit. Just put a little bit like this. And then I like to put everything at once. And then sugar. I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it's not enough, a person can add in their own plates. People can add in their own plates, okay? So I also want to put peanut butter. Peanut butter. 1. 2. This should be enough. Let me put another one. I added the half now. This should be enough. Then now I am mixing. Mixing now. So now I am reducing fire. So that it doesn't burn. Okay. So that it doesn't burn. I'm leaving it now to be steaming for a few minutes. For a few minutes like this. It's too low. It's too low. It's fine like this. So I'm leaving it to steam. That is how we make porridge. Our African porridge in Zimbabwe. My budi? Eh? Hakuna? Yangeli connected, I'm still on. Oya, pakumaenda kule kusina gendi connect. So these are the plates that I am going to use. This one. Mix with another one. The connected, but that's associated.
Porridge la noite. Já, vou pegar um jeito. Andukazile pakoti nangobvama so zvaitata hazvo pano zvakunetsa pasina magetsi zvichanyatsomuona zvakanaka saka zvaimboti magetsi haana basa nawo usada kubhadhara chete achishandisa saka akatodhakwa kamugadzira
So our porridge is done now, guys. Our porridge is done now and we are serving it. Just like that. It's done already. It's done now. That's how we make our African porridge. Made from mufu. Ndikwanisa me manje.
Details, real name required by state.
So fast.
And this is the much of my program.
Oh,
Eh.
So the porridge is done now.
You know about the
Again got minus 2.
all right. I don't see the sister here. The sister don't do it.
Done. The porridge is done, guys.
Right.
The porridge is done. Done. And now we are serving it. Porridge.
Yeah, that's very nice. Yeah, no further. When I talk about why. Mama don't go eat my details. One.
We are done.
I'm happy.
And of course, switching off the stove. Let me put the clean spoon for my brother. Guys, this is mine. This is sugar. This is porridge.
And I'm going to go in the Pachimus. Porridge, that's wonder.
Let's eat porridge, guys. Let's eat porridge. Oh, this is how our porridge is made. Let me taste just to find out if the sugar is okay. It's very nice. Bye, guys.